All right, what's going on, everybody? Today, we are going to be doing something that I have been really looking forward to. I've just been waiting for all the pieces to get in. Everything's finally here. It's about midnight, but I've got to run tomorrow. So I'm going to try to get these done and fix probably one of the most annoying things about this bike. Like I've said before in one of my other videos, I really don't mind the height of these bars. I mean, for stock bars, these are literally the best ones I've ever seen from Harley. Um, with that said, though, the bushings leave a lot to be desired. I mean, as you can tell, you don't want that, especially when you're riding hard. You're taking a lot of corners. You're doing a lot of, ripping around with the boys. You just don't want that flex. So we're gonna take care of that today. First thing you want to do is just throw a towel or something over the bike. Protect your tank. You got nice paint. Keep it nice. We're gonna be putting on today. We have a 10-inch Harlan Ness riser. We have the stainless TIG welded bars. These are the tall. We have some Harlan Ness grips, anodized black with some nice rubber, and then of course the polyurethane handlebar bushings. So, with all that, let's get into it. Alright, so since I don't have a cameraman, I'm actually just going to use the little stand here. I'm going to try to get you guys the best shot I can. We're going to start by taking this outer shell off. What you're going to want to do is rotate the bars all the way to one side. Again, that's why we have it on the ground. So we've got them maxed out to one side. We're going to take our 3/8 ratchet wrench here. We're going to loosen these two bolts, one on each side. And then you're going to need to remove the screw right here in the middle up top. And then we'll take our little pry tool here and all right, now we have all that out of the way. We're going to go ahead and remove the ignition cover. Again, just take a pry tool. There's a little tab underneath. So you're just going to kind of pull up on it a little bit. This is plastic, so just be gentle with it. It just pops right out. So you see the little tab there. Once you have that removed, there are two additional screws, and these are the last thing holding these on. So there is a tab right in between here that you'll just pull apart. So now we got all those out, we'll just go ahead and pull that off. And you can see those little tabs. So that's all you're popping loose. These actually come off too, so if you do pull them, they will just kind of pop off sometimes, so just be aware of that. All right, now that we got all that out, we're going to go ahead and disconnect this connector down here. This little tab, pull this one apart. And then you have two more that are actually zip tied down. So we're just going to go ahead and pull those as well. Two, and more. All of our wiring for the handlebars is now free. We can move on to the next step. We're going to use a T27. I'm just going to remove. So then there's a sensor on the back side of these. So right here, the one plug coming in, if you just pull the little sleeve back, pop those right out. So you can see that's free. Now we got those free, and if we just pick it up right now, now you can see it's all loose. We're gonna go ahead and just slide our crown royal bag right over the top of this, and we're gonna lay it down nice and easy. So it's out of the way. And then we're just gonna leave the rest of this be. And then we'll repeat the same thing on the other side here. All right, now for the fun part, we rotate the bars all the way to one side, max them out to one side, and then we're going to go ahead and come from the bottom. Whichever way you turn it, obviously that's going to expose on the other side. So we're going to come from the bottom straight up with our extension and our 3/4. Just because, again, I didn't get my jack in time to do this, so we're going to make do with what we have. Now once we have that done, we're just going to go to the front. We're going to use the wheel to turn it because obviously we don't have a lot of turning power now with only one bolt holding it in. And we're going to repeat the process on this side.